I'm going to show you how to solve this headache forever by using the theme builder to globally apply your beautiful Envato template, header and footer to your entire website in just a few clicks. Before we start, do subscribe to my channel for more updates. So let's dive in. Here you can see we have the Envato Elementor template kit here. There are lots of pages, which is absolutely correct. And you can see our website. There are no home page shown here. So what you're gonna do, we will add the new pages to add home page. So click on pages and add page here. Now you can see there are some pages over there, but most of the draft. So we will add page here and set the name of home page and click on Elementor Pro. So homepage edit with Elementor we have to do. I think there's some problem the plugin, so we have to wait. Now you can see the folder icon over there. Click on it to add the template here. So click on templates. Here you can see there are lots of pages. So here you can see about page, most of the pages are here. So we will insert the home page here, apply. So here we go. Here we successfully added the home page section here. So you can see there are, okay, it's loading right now. Okay, now it's done. You can see the home pages are here. There are lots of elements are added. So we have to publish this first. So let's load it. Now you can see the upper side, you can see the home page. So when you click it, you can see the loaded pages here. But we have to set this home page to default. So here you can see the Envato Elementor template kit documents. What we do, we have to install the Elementor theme, which is Hello Elementor. So we have to use the Hello Elementor theme to use the features of the Elementor templates. So what we do, we will install the theme here. You can see the theme option. Now we will add a theme here and we have to search Hello Elementor. Now you can see the Hello Elementor first theme is this. Install it and we have to activate this. Now we can see the option over there reading. We have to set our homepage to default. You can see the homepage and the homepage save changes. Now when we reload our website, it will automatically redirect to this homepage section. So here you can see we have not added our header and footer in this section. So in this video we will show you how to install header and footer to entire website. So edit with Elementor, it will take a few seconds, but if you want to add the header here, you will not get header into the entire website. So we have to make more things. I will show you. If we click on templates here and select the header, insert here. If you try this one, you will not get the header to entire website. So we have to do the another settings to have this header and footer to the entire website, and we will use the another method. So if we publish here, so if you check our website, you can see the header is added. Now we will scroll to check the footer section also. You can see no footer is there, so we have to edit with Elementor. So we will remove our header here and publish this. Now we will go to our WordPress dashboard. We have to go to our dashboard. Now here you can see the templates over there and click on theme builder. Now you can see the global parts here, and here is the header. Click on it, and here we have to do edit conditions. Click on it and add condition here, and you can see the include an entire site and save and continue. Now if we go to our website, you can see. Now let's go to our website. So here you can see the header is also added, but also you can see our footer will automatically add it here, but some theme might be not added this. But if you use the tricks, the same thing, it will work. So here you can see that our footer is added also, and this header and footer is added to the entire website. So we will show you how to add your footer also. So here you can see the footer section. Click on it, the edit conditions, and you can see the condition here. So it's done by the correct method. So here is some documents about the theme installation. You can see kit required plugin should be loaded and active from tools. Template kit is. So I hope this video will help you. If you like this video, do like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends and family. And if you find any error and any problem, do comment on my video. I will try to help you from this. Thank you so much.